Sort your data easily using this Excel slicer function. Just select the tab and the data will be automatically sorted. You can also do a multi-selection. Come and join to learn this simple Excel trick. To start, convert the data range into a table. Select any cell inside the table, then press Ctrl-A. Then press Ctrl-T. Remove the table design by going to Table Design, then select Clear. Now go to Insert tab and select Slicer. Select the column you want to filter, then click OK. Place the slicer on the top and adjust its size. You can add a column or adjust any of its size on Slicer tab settings. You can select any designs on Slicer on the Design tab. We have now created this amazing Excel slicer. Like, share, and follow for more Excel tricks.